Can you all see the IDE?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have opened it. So this is Notepad++. So language, I will change to the language called even HTML, no problem. Simple HTML, right? So we know normally if I just teach you small thing here, the first thing when we are talking about this security, we are normally looking for authentication in any websites. You can see some authentication modes are going there, right? How this authentication is happening and the authentication is done. So I'll show a small thing here before going. So in HTML, I will create a small form before showing this, right? So I'll just a small form. So what I can do, I'll just simply, no need to worry, just a simple to create a form. So what you can do, just put something called like this. Yeah, this is how we showing, okay, this is HTML, right? So this is a tag I'm using to show, okay, this is HTML, right? So this is the end of the HTML tag. So when I want to, we know if you take one HTML page, it's divided into two sections. So that is one is head section. So this is the head tag for that. So I'll be closing the head tag like this. So the head section is finished. And I told there's another section that is body section. So this is the body, right? So body section is ending. It's the end of the body section. Okay. So whatever the things we are seeing, it might be a form, it might be an image, it might be a paragraph, anything, whatever we see, that's in the body section, not in the head section. But the URL you are watching is in the head section. The title of the web page is in the head section. So unless those things, most of the things, an image, and a table, an image, and if you take paragraphs, everything, a division, everything you can see in body section, the body section. So simply I'll design a form first, just a form. So if I want to design a form, simple, what I can do is I can just open this form tag like this, just to show you some samples. So you can just open this like this, small thing. This is how I'm designing a form. So you want the form tag for that. If you want to design a form, and I just put a small label, right? Just assume it's the label. So label. So just assume enter your PIN number or something, right? Just assume. So there is a label. It's showing enter your PIN number. So this label is there. And you can put a text box for that. So how to design a text box? So you have a tag name input, and name is input, and you have an attribute. You can say, okay, type is equal password. Because why the type is equal password? The PIN number, whatever we type, should be displayed as dots or something, which user cannot be visible. So that is our main purpose. So why we want to make this invisible for the user? That is also security concern. Why we want to make this invisible to the user? So why like this a text box like this? Why we want a text box like this? This is even you type, you know what you are typing. No need to worry. In this text box, you know whatever you are typing. Only the thing is, whatever you type is cannot be seen by, cannot be understood by other person. That is our main vision. Is that is our main vision here, to secure this number or secure this text, whatever I am typing from another person. He can view, he can see, but he can't recognize what this person is typing. So that's why this type of password is there. Now, there are three types of text boxes actually. I will teach you in this part, in this scenario. There are three types of text boxes. One is you can write as text. You can write the type as text. Right? That is also one type of text box. And you can write another one that is input type is password. So that is another type of text box. And there is another one that is input type is equal hidden. Now, three types of text boxes are there. So if you ask what are the difference between these three text boxes, if you, in the line number 11, the text, whatever you are typing, the text box is also visible. Text box is also visible. Whatever the text you are typing, that is also visible. Line number 11, the text box is also visible. Whatever you are typing in the text box, that is also visible to the user. User can understand whatever you are typing in that box, user can understand. When this timeout, please use the password, same password, and rejoin, okay? It will be in 1 minute, it will be sometime disconnect. So use the same password to reconnect, rejoin, okay? Right. That is the line number 11, the meaning of line number 11. Line number 12, if you put the type equal password, what will happen? The text box is visible, but whatever you are typing in the text box is invisible to read, understand, to read, difficult to understand whatever you type in the text box. That is called password. That is line number 12 says. But line number 13 says the text box is also invisible. Whatever you wrote in the text box is also invisible. Both are invisible.